Order of operations. So this is something new in 6th grade, and there is an order that we perform the evaluation of expressions. Okay, so when simplifying expression, use the order of operations. Okay, so we're going to start with parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division are combined. Okay, and then addition and subtraction. Okay, so why are multiplication, division, and adding and subtracting grouped together? Because when you get past parentheses and exponents, you start working left to right looking for multiplication and division. And whichever comes first, you just do it, multiplication or division. Once you have solved all the multiplication and division parts, you come down to addition and subtraction, and you solve whatever comes first, left to right. Okay? So I'm going to talk to you about how I solve these with my I do right here. I'm going to model it. So I have 2 to the power of 0 plus 5 minus 3. So I look at my order up here. I got to look for parentheses. I have none. Then I look for exponents. I have one right here. Now you can use your calculator, but remember anything to the power of 0 is 1. So I'm going to, I want to highlight it. We're going to highlight. So I'm going to highlight what I'm doing first, which is this right here. Okay. 2 to the power of 0 is 1. Then I bring down the rest of my expression. I look for multiplication, division. I don't have any. Then I do addition, subtraction, left to right. So 1 plus 5, I'm going to highlight that. That's what I'm doing right now, is 6. Then minus 3 equals 3. So, okay. Then I have my first we do is 6 minus 2 to the power of 2. Well, I go for parentheses, have none. Exponents, I have 1. 2 to the power of 2 is 2 times 2. Okay. 2 times 2 is 4. So 6 minus 4. All I have left is 6 minus 4, which is 2. Okay. Then I'm going to go down one right here. 24 divided by, in parentheses, 4 times 2. So starting with parentheses, because that's the first thing in my order of operation, I'm going to do whatever's in my parentheses first, which is multiplication, which is 4 times 2 is 8. Okay, so I'm going to bring down the rest, 24 divided by 8, and I'm going to get 3. Then I'm going to come over here, this one, 18 minus 3 to the power of 2 plus 4. 3 to the power of 2 is the same thing as 3 times 3. And remember, oh, I'm sorry, I'm getting ahead of myself. I look for parentheses, have none. I look for exponents, I have one right here. That's why I'm doing that first. So 3 times 3 is 9. 18 minus 9 plus 4. Okay. I don't have any multiplication or division, but I do have addition and subtraction. And it's grouped together, so I will work left to right. So I'm going to start with 18 minus 9, which I get is 9. And then plus 4 is 13. Okay? Now, we have a double-decker. That's what I call this, a double-decker. So what I do is I solve the top, then I solve the bottom, and this line, because really this is a fraction, really. I have an expression over an expression. It's a fraction. So when I simplify the top and then I simplify the bottom, I still have to divide in the end, but we'll walk through it. So I'm just going to draw an arrow and come over here and solve this. 9 parentheses 6 minus 3. Now I know we touched on this. Anything next to a parentheses with no operation means multiplied. But I have parentheses first, which is 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3, which is 3. But please watch what I'm going to do. 9, I'm going to maintain that parentheses here. Because if I don't, it will look like 93, and that is not what that is. So 9 times 3 equals 27. I'm going to put a fraction line like this over here. Over here, I now have 5 plus 7 minus 9. So all I have is addition and subtraction at the bottom, and I know that I work my way left to right. Okay, so 5 plus 7 is 12 minus 9. 12 minus 9 gives me 3. So I'm going to bring my 3 over here. Now I have 27 over 3. That is this simplified expression over this simplified expression. It's 27 over 3. And then we treat this like division. So 27 divided by 3 is 9. And that's what we get. Now, on the bottom, you have 4 you-dos to do on your own. Okay? And then, if you're not with us, show me when you come back. And if we are doing this in class, show me when you finish.